Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today me and my sister, we're making slime. So first I want to show you my slimes. So first I made this.
How many batches did you make? 3?
I made 3 batches, and first this one is like a galaxy sparkle slime, and it's so fluffy. We just made made fluffy ones. So that one's really fluffy and it's really clicky as well. And then I've also got another one, which is blue, which is really pretty. And that was my unicorn one just then. This is my sky blue one.
I call it like an Elsa slime.
And it's really fluffy again because we kept using shaving foam. We didn't use any other. So. And then that one there was my unicorn slime. Let me just show you. So that one I just showed you then was my sky one. This one is my unicorn one. And then I've got a massive batch that I made, and it is literally massive. I might add more. Oh, it's all wet. Guys, it's all wet and it's not nice. That's kind of not the texture I wanted it to turn out. But it's still so fluffy. I'll show you it. It's a massive batch, guys. It is literally massive.
Ooh.
And bits are falling off it.
My favourite slime that you made.
Just feel that, how just it feels and doesn't feel nice.
My favourite slime out of the 2 little ones is the unicorn slime because I love unicorns.
The unicorn slime is really pretty. I wish I should have made a bigger batch of that. But we're going to make slime. So my sister, I'm just going to hold hold this and give it to make sure my sister. And then she can show you her slimes. And we're making I'm not making a big batch. I might make one that fills that. So 1 minute, let me just right. So
I made 3 slimes just as well as my sister. And I made actually 4, but one of them failed because I used glitter glue.
Yeah, one
and
of
that
mine
did
failed.
not work. So my first slime that I made, I think it was this one. Yeah, was that type of slime. I like that slime a lot. And then my next slime was, it just overflowed on me. This is a big batch. This slime smells nice.
And they really smell nice because it's got a fruit burst shaving foam.
And then my last slime,
Which I helped her made.
yeah, because I literally am not, feel it?
It's because we've used baking powder.
Because it was not that,
And it's all sticky and not nice.
no, it's still nice.
Mine
We
isn't.
used baking powder
Mine's all
on it.
gloopy.
We used all baking powder on it because it was all like made like all lumps like that, and it was all.
But I might add a bit more shaving foam later and just try and fix it.
Okay.
So we're going to get started. So I'm just
Can we
going
have
to
the towel, please? That bit.
just
Little
going
lot.
to put this over here. 1 minute. So right. Oh, sorry guys. There we go. So we've got all our stuff here
So the thing
and
is,
some stuff over here.
so the things
Oh,
first.
wait, first minute, she's just going to take you out.
So the things you need to make your slime is glue. You need, if you want to make fluffy slime, shaving foam. If you wanted to make it all colourful, food colouring. If you want to make it sparkly, glitter. And then, to make it all come together, you need the special thing called borax. And then you would need some tubs to put it in. And you would need a container. And then you would need a spoon. And then if you wanted to mix some colours together, all you'll need is some paintbrushes. And if your hands get dirty, you can use towels. So we'll want the one that my sister's one failed on was with peel off, airwick, and facial scrub. And she also had some glitter glue, green glue. I don't think they have any in it. So, and she also made some recipes to make some slime. Like 3 recipes. 4 or 5 recipes. 5 recipes she made. So, just wait for my sister. So, if we got the food colouring colours red, orange, which we haven't used, yellow, which we haven't used, green, which we haven't used, blue, which we've used, and pink, which is my favourite colour. So the colours that we haven't used is orange and green and yellow. So we've used a lot of my glue because this is 3 boxes of glue. So let's get started. Oh, and if you want to make a sparkle glitter, wait after me. Have you not dried that?
No, yeah.
Get that and dry that. It's alright, I dried it before. I told you they might mean not. Try them colours over there. Try them. 1 minute. Try them. 1 minute. I'll just pour just a little bit amount of glue in. My sister's one. It's not allowed too much.
Wait. First, I'm just going to fix this by using shaving foam.
Get your shaving foam.
Where's my shaving foam gone?
There. Oh. I told her what ingredients to use to mix slime. And there's only a few ingredients. So while my sister's fixing her massive slime, because it turned out so horrible, once we used the baking powder, which I don't think we should have.
Because it's wrecked it now.
It's wrecked it. And I might fix mine in a minute. So that's the best, that's all the glue gone.
Because that's coming to 2. Oh, loads.
So can I get started without you? Or no?
Yeah.
I'll just wait now because
Got it's all over my
oh, glue
hands.
kissing. Just leave that for later.
Right.
Just leave that and we'll just get on with the slime making video. We'll sort out them later. So first, once you've put the glue in,
If it's not, we'll make another one.
we'll put.
And won't add baking
We don't have any
powder.
more glue left. Is this your big
This
batch?
can be a big batch if we wanted.
Okay, so pick a colour. I'm
Don't
going to
use
pick
a lot of
pink.
baking.
Amy borax. So I'm going to use pink.
Wait a minute.
That's my favourite. What are you doing?
First, I'm just going to put as much as probably as I need for now.
I'm going to put loads of drops of pink because I love the colour pink and I want to make it nice and dark. Because then once you add the shaving foam in, it gets all light. Which colour are you having?
Right, that's half of the powder.
Which colour are you
Actually,
having?
no, it's not. Did you think it's half
no,
of the
it's
powder?
fine. It's fine.
Right, that's okay.
What
So-
colour? Well, what are you having?
First, I'm going to have.
What colour?
We
haven't used
pink.
Yellow, orange or
We
green.
mostly use pink.
Yeah.
So let me just
That's
come
our
closer to
favourite
the
colour.
camera for you and show you. But let me just move that
I've
bit
already
of
used the pink.
slime and just that's the food colouring. But don't care if it gets in my pants. So this is my bowl and I've got glue in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my pink food dye to change the colour. Add as much as you want to keep it dark, dark or as light as you want it. And I've only used a little bit, as you can see.
And I've used a lot, as you can see.
Well, it's still.
So then we'll have to
a lot.
mix that together, the glue in the food colouring.
See, oh, this is
Ooh.
a really nice pink colour. But I'm going to try and make it like a
purple.
multicoloured.
I make like a unicorn. That's what I want to make.
Well, I've already made a unicorn.
Because I
type
love
of-
unicorns. I have like loads of stuff in my room that's a unicorn.
I've already made like a unicorn slime.
I've got loads of unicorn things up on mine.
So
Amazing. Oh no.
So I've got that done.
How much slime
I
do you
might
have?
add a little bit of blue
to make it purple.
to change the colour a bit more. I've used quite a lot of blue because I want it like really, really dark.
Can I use some of
Because
this?
this will be a purpley. See,
I'll
look at
use
that.
this.
It's like a galaxy colour, which I really
And then you can add some
like.
blue, the glamour
See?
glitter, or the
Look at that.
any other colour. Oh, sugar.
Look at that.
Oh.
It's a really nice
I kind of put a
colour.
lot of blue in when I didn't want a lot of blue,
I
but
put a lot of blue in because it turns
never
it
mind.
nice.
Then after
What colour is that? Orange?
we haven't used
Red.
orange yet. What colour are you looking for?
Red.
We haven't used orange or yellow yet. Or
We've not
orange.
used a lot of
we
red.
haven't used orange, yellow, or green yet.
I was going to use
the
green.
main
one
the mainly
time.
colour we've used is the pink because we love
Yeah.
the colour pink, especially when it comes to
Where's
slime.
pink? Can I have that
I've got
for you?
it.
Mine's a nice purple type of colour.
There you go.
Really, really pretty. But I'm going to change
And then
the
if
colour
it's
of
too
it.
liquidy,
bit
oh
more.
sugar. Where's the? They need some tea towel, please. Tea towel, please.
There
I
you
need
go.
a strip. Oh, it's dying down. It's
So,
red.
oh, this is a nice colour.
Mine's nice. Have you just added pink in that? Mine's very liquidy.
It's turning it really nice purple.
I think mine's now just food colouring. Let's see if there's any more glue left.
It's turning it really
Mine's
purple.
literally just.
Which I love the colour purple because it's gorgeous.
I love the colour pink.
So I'm making it a big batch to try and fit because I don't have to think in getting rid of that slime.
We'll try and make a big batch. Some glue left, yes. Because mine's just like food colour now. It's not glue. It's like no glue at
So
all.
I might convert that bit.
Yeah, just keep it just in case it's not that big, and you could probably fix it at the end with shaving cream.
I could probably add that one with that. Maybe.
Yeah, if it's a nice colour, then just if.
Well, I'm just going. So I need to get another
Oh,
box because if I do, I can put it in my big slime.
so while she's going, can you get me one as well, please? No. So as you see of me, it's just like. Oh, I think this one's gonna fail too. See, it's just, I don't think it's even glue anymore. It smells nicer because of the food glue. It smells like vanilla. So now, should I wait for you or should I pour my own shaving cream in? I'll wait. Oh, there's more glue. Because it's still just not working out for me. Make sure it gets in all of the slime. Well, right now it's just
There's no big boxes left.
no.
So
Right. Ew. I'm just trying to put more glue in to make it look better.
right,
Just wait. Keep
I'm
me.
going to put my shaving foam
Wait for
in.
me. Wait for me.
So as you can see, I'm just putting my shaving foam in now, which that actually makes it really, really thick. That's how I got the consistency of what I got last time.
I'm just gonna put a lot of shaving foam in to make it all nice and not liquidy or bumpy. Mine's like a purplish, like a darkish.
And mine's a
pinkish
light purple.
Nice. So, how big are you making your batch? Mine's going to be massive. Mine's not that
I don't want to
big.
make it too big because we're borax. We don't want to put too.
I've got a little tub of borax. How much? Oh, you have a lot. That's how much borax I have. And I think that's going to be the best for me.
Well,
Should have quite a
we
lot.
might share a bit more. Depends.
How big is yours? Mine's just still. Is yours gloopy? I think mine's just food colouring though. How's yours all like that? Mine's stringy. Look. Can you use some of yours? Yours is probably working.
So I'm going to add a bit of blue in.
Could you squirt some of yours in? Mine's just certainly not working. How's yours like that? Can you squirt some of yours in?
No, I need mine. So,
You see mine?
it's getting really big and fluffy. As you can see, it's getting really fluffy.
To make it all nice and stick together, I might squirt some shaving gel inside this.
Mine
I think I'm running out.
So fluffy. Look at that. How fluffy that is.
Mine just So now where's my little spoon? Maybe, are you going to add glitter in yours? Because I am.
Yeah. Where's that glitter mine? There. So we got this glitter dust,
It's really
which is really, really
It makes
pretty.
it just silver.
I might not have glitter in one because it makes it stick all to your hands. So I might just have this one without glitter.
But I might have glitter in it if you don't mind. How's yours like that?
Mine is so
How's your shaving foam look?
fluffy.
Because mine just doesn't work. How? Can you pour some of that into mine?
No, I've only got a lot left and I need it.
Please, I don't have any left. I don't think I have any left.
All mine now gone. And it's made a massive batch for
Mine
me.
hasn't.
A
Mine just made
huge
anything.
batch.
I still like my purple colour. Yours is
So,
like a baby blue.
I'm going to add a tiny bit
Of borax.
of more
glitter.
pink,
Oh.
maybe.
I'm just gonna keep this.
I'm just adding more.
Mine's actually quite nice. That's well too much.
A nice pink colour because I want it like a pinky
I want to
No.
make mine pink too.
purple. That, guys,
Yours just
looks
looks like-
nice.
I'm just gonna keep trying to add
It
in.
looks like a white foam, but it's really, really pretty. Look at that. Made a bit more because I don't want it too pink, but I want it pink.
I want it mine bright pink. Because mine's just turned like a nice purple, but I like it.
There's just pink if you need
But I
it.
kind of do. I like the pink,
I love it.
but it just turned
That
out.
is lovely.
I'll just leave it if I were you. I wouldn't mix it. I don't know why.
So that is a lovely pink now. A nice bright pink. So what I'm going to do is
I'm
put
just spooning
my-
out.
all of that is fluffy as
There's still
anything.
some like blue food colouring at the bottom.
So what? Yeah, but it makes
So
it
make
nice.
sure you mix all your food colouring in.
So right, let me just tap all this off. Right, so now I'm going to add some of my borax in. So let me move that and just show you. So this is borax. So I put it, and I'm just gonna pour it in.
So I'll mix all of the shaving.
You don't want to put
food.
too much in, otherwise it won't work.
No, because you don't want to put a whole bag in or a whole box. Whatever. Which one, yeah.
So don't want to put a whole cup in.
No.
You want to take
I'll
it
say-
little by little.
Bit by bit. Look at mine.
Mine's really fluffy and
That's
big.
my colour.
It's bigger than
I
mine.
might just
I
keep
think
it
this is bigger than my other batch.
It could be.
And I'm not using baking soda.
No,
'cause
because that
just wrecked
even
it.
though it did not feel nice at the beginning, it's
Still,
still
mine did felt really fluffy at the beginning, but it just wrecked now. So
it just did not feel nice. Because then we had
this
to
is
try
to replace my other one.
because it just didn't feel it. Well, it felt all
It was
of
quite
that-
sticky
Both
a
of
bit
us
more.
felt fluffy, but it was still sticky, and we didn't want to add too much of the borax in because we didn't have much left.
Mine's
So,
now coming together a
Our
bit
mum
more.
said that we could use
Mine
baking powder,
is coming together.
so we just did it. So that's how much borax I have. I don't have a lot.
If
like
you can
you.
see, mine is coming together.
I'm just gonna put a
is
lot
really
of borax in
nice.
right now. And if you just want to put your hands in once it's all mixed together and it like has lumps in, you can just do that. So like that, mix it and mix.
See if you can see, mine is really, really sticky. getting together more.
I know.
I got a massive batch here.
So have I. Look at that. Yours is bigger still.
Mine's really, really fluffy. You don't want to... If you put a lot in, it might be too sticky.
Just shaving foam all gone.
No. And then you might...
Need that. Because mine's
You
all
might
gone.
not need...
Oh, can I have some glitter in?
Might not work anymore.
Can I have glitter in?
Yeah.
Because I've just put borax in just then.
Do you want blue as well?
Nah.
It might give it a bit of tint, more colour, I don't know. So start stirring that. Start stirring it, and I'll just put in.
I want a lot.
Glitter.
Let's make it nice and shiny.
I might add some glitter, but it feels nice how it is. So I might not add glitter. I might just have a normal slime and glitter. I really want to make crunchy slime. That'd be really good.
Yeah, I have sequins upstairs. You can stick them in this.
I don't want to put it in with this one because I want this one to be a really
Nice big
take
batch.
over the other one because I don't want it to be so big. We can't make any more slime after this because
we don't have any glue
more
left.
shaving foam.
And our mum has some more shaving
Well,
foam.
I could make
regular
Airwick.
slime.
I could make Airwick and
I don't even know where I put my things.
they're in the kitchen, I think. So I can make Airwick one, but that's not really a nice one.
Well, it is. It smells nice, and it feels nice, but I think fluff is nice.
It makes your hands all it's all moist and not good and stuff, but depends what you want it to be.
We could try it with borax, see what happens.
We could instead of the
If not,
activator, but I
yeah.
don't want to waste our borax.
It's fine. We asked our mum if we could buy more.
It smells so nice.
Oh, I'm ready to
My
pick
big
mine up.
batch is coming together really good.
Oh, I think this
really
is my best
well.
slime that I've made myself.
Yeah, because
I made my two little slimes, but Chloe made my big massive one.
Well, I helped. Well, you helped me to make it. And it wasn't all just me.
You know, because I put in the shaving foam, the colour, the glue.
I'm going to pick mine up now, guys.
And the borax.
And
I've already picked mine up.
It is looking good. A lovely... Oh, it's sticking more, so I might...
Mine's not sticking at all. Add some more borax in. I used all that borax. My slime is nice and fluffy. I'm just adding more shaving foam and I'm just mixing it with my hands. And I've still got foam in as well. Fluffy! Like a unicorn.
It's getting a really big batch now, guys.
I think I might need to make, because it's still sticking, I might put a bit more borax in. Not too much. And just keep
Might put a little
stirring.
bit of glitter in. Just put a tiny bit of glitter in. I didn't want to put a lot.
I hardly can see my glitter in mine.
You will when you stretch it because you can see it
I'm stretching it right now.
when you stretch it. But
Can you see the glitter? All I can see is like bits of borax. Can you see the
that'll be
glitter?
the glitter.
It's just borax. I can see it. There's like little chunks in it. It's borax.
So I'm going to pick mine up now, guys.
Can I have some blue glitter?
Yeah. So this is my blue glitter. So I'm just
Gently pour it into the slime.
No, because you have to put it in there.
No, pour it into the middle of the slime. That's enough. No, just keep going. I love glitter. That's enough. Just like you.
So I love mine. It's coming together really well. So I'm just going to pour it onto my hands now. Literally, it's just going to go. You want to see this?
Yours is just like sticking to the side of the tub. Mine is. Mine's just flopping in my hands.
I don't know. It's not kind of coming together more, but it is coming.
You can see that borax, can't you? That's the borax.
There we go, guys. I've got it. The more you play with it, the more it doesn't stick. But this fluffy slime will stick.
Since you just put some glitter in and I put some more shaving foam in, I need to put
My
more
hands are
borax.
covered in purple. My hands are covered in purple.
Nice
Right.
and fluffy.
It's not coming together.
I finished my... I just don't know where I put it in that tub, but mine's actually not that big a batch.
Can you open that tub for me, please?
Which one?
That
I
one.
can't. I've got my slime in my hands. Dip it in. Oh, that's shaving foam to make it all more
Mine is
fluffier.
really, really sticky.
Mine
I'm
isn't.
putting it back in there.
Why? Oh, I put more
Right,
borax in.
so I'm just going to put a bit more borax in and stir. My hands are so gritty. So right, I'm just going to wipe my hands and then I'll be done.
I'm making like little lines. Put the borax in. It's very, very, very sticky. You can just feel the borax in it. So if I just now stick it back into that, it's not keeping in that container. Whee. Whee. Well, you can literally see another borax bits. Can't see glitter. Who cares? Oh! I don't know where I'm going to put this. Literally. Oh, I have a tub free. Which one's your free tub?
I'm just going to...
This is my free tub. Oh, it's so close to fitting. I just need to like hurt my slime. Don't hurt my slime.
That is not nice.
I don't want to hurt my slime.
So guys, I'm going to bin that.
I might not do mine. Try to stick all. I'm going to feel the slime in here, see if I can make. Borax time. I might throw this one away too. This is just so baking powder bits in it. So use baking powder in it. Oh. It is very just. I might bin this one. What's she doing now? So I finished. This is my slime. I think it's well better than that one. This one's much fluffier. So while you're back, I might as well just bin this one. It is disgusting. So in a minute, I'll just show you how my slime turned out, and then I'll have to turn it off. So, right, I'm just gonna put this now in here. Oh, I just put my tub away. So right, that's in. So. So that was my slime. I just won't fit in this tub. Well, never mind. Get in.
So
that's it for this video.
that's it for this video, guys. Bye.